morning everyone. Today is the day that we finally get to go on some showings. I'm gonna get some practice with the gimbal. I'm gonna be leaving in about 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna get ready real quick. No cringy transition this time, guys. I am now here. I swear to God I have this exact painting in my house. I just realized that. It's so funny. But yeah, step one, if you guys didn't watch the first vlog, step one is always remove your shoes. That's what the sign says. So I have removed my shoes. And then step two is just going around turning on all of the lights. I'm just pressing, yeah, there you go. Everything turns on. Oh my God, this place is actually so nice. And I am a little bit late. As you guys probably saw, there is so much traffic, and that's really nice too. There's a school right there, so it's just like such a nice place, such a nice home. And yeah, it looks really nice. As you guys can see, this is what 1.6 million gets you in the Martin Grove Richard area, and it's really good. So I'm just pressing the light button everywhere. There you go. And this is downstairs. But yeah, you guys already know this if you watch my other ones. You just go around, turn on all the lights, open the closets and stuff, and get a feel for the home. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a feel for a home, and in my mind I'm gonna picture the best possible path to walk through the home. And yeah, I'll see you guys after, because as I said, I am a bit late, so I'm on a bit of a time crunch here. So I'll see you guys right after I do everything. All right, everyone, I just finished recording everything. This is actually such a beautiful place. My first time using the gimbal was actually amazing. It was so good. Everything looks so amazing, and I'm sure the next home tour that I post is going to be beautiful. But the gimbal didn't fit over my huge OtterBox, so I had to actually get my phone stripped down, as you can see. And it let me like actually appreciate how beautiful this phone is. Like the iPhone 12 actually looks so nice. I never saw it because it was always behind my huge blocky case, but now that I can see it, I have like a new appreciation for my phone. Yeah, even though I came here late, I finished everything in about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna start with the downstairs, and I'm just gonna turn off all the lights, make sure everything's off so we don't run up the bill. Then I'll get headed over to the next showing, which is like 2 minutes away. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the next showing. I'm at my next showing, but there's a car in the driveway, and it looks like all of the lights are on. So maybe someone's doing a showing right now. I am 4 minutes early, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait the next couple minutes and see what's up. I don't know if it's a listing agent, but there's definitely someone in there because there's a car in the driveway and like every single light there's on. So I'll just wait it out 5-10 minutes because I have time now. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know. Since I'm already waiting here, let me tell you something. We are at 111 subscribers. What that means is that we've gone up 21 subscribers in 7 days. So I can't thank you guys enough. It means so much to me, but I'm really trying to hit 150 by the end of October. And if we stay on the same trajectory, we can easily do that. So please, everyone, right now, go down below and hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you. Okay, so I just walked up to the door. I put in the code, opened it. There's no key. So I was like, okay. Knocked on the door, and a lady opened. I thought she lived there, but she was the cleaning lady, and she said she's gonna be done in like 5 to 10 minutes. Thankfully, I have time today, so I'll just wait. So it's not really a problem. I can wait 5-10 minutes. I really wish the listing agent would have told me, but it doesn't really matter since I have time. But in the future, if this is happening to any of you guys, if any of you guys have listings and you have a cleaning lady coming over, just tell the buyer agent, because what if I had another showing after this? Then I'd have to just skip this showing, you know? So, but thankfully that's not the situation for me. I can wait. So yeah, I'm fine. So I guess I'll see you guys when I actually get to show the place. All right, I am now here at the second listing, 30 minutes late. Like I just sat in my car for 20 minutes. So I started editing the last one, the last showing that I just took. So now I'm just walking around, turning on all of the lights, and I'm gonna do this recording real quick because I am getting hungry. Okay, that is a fan. Turn that off. So yeah, I'm just gonna record this real quick. It's not too big of a place. I'm very surprised that this place is the same price as the last place. I guess this place has more square feet. It looks like, yeah, at least it probably is. So that kind of makes sense, but the other place looks much nicer. I'm just gonna record this showing. I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, I just finished a showing on this pretty beautiful place as well, and it was good. It was really fast. I wish that I did the other one faster, because when I'm editing it, I see that I have like 5 minutes of footage and I have to fit that under a minute. So I have to speed a lot of things up and it might look choppy. Here I made sure I go faster, and I'm pretty sure this one will turn out much better than the last one, which I'm sad about because I felt like the last one was a much better place. But obviously you live and you learn, and I'll use this experience to get better in the future. Alright, I'm finally done. Now I can go home and eat, and I'll see you guys after I'm done eating. I'm now home from the showings. I'm gonna hop on Facebook Marketplace here, and I'm also just going to look over the footage that we got. It looks like the footage is a little long, but I'm sure I can cut it down in CapCut. I'm just gonna edit the videos for both of the places, and at the same time I'll be replying to people on Facebook Marketplace. It's now 9:30 p.m. It's almost time for me to go to bed. I edited the first showing, and I realized when I was editing that my clips were way too long, so I'd have to speed them up by a lot. But if I speed them up by too much, it looks choppy. So that's just another note. Make sure that you don't take too long. Don't go super slow. If anything, you can just put it into slow motion in CapCut. But yeah, I didn't end up giving you any updates. I didn't talk to many people. I answered all of the chats and everything, but I didn't keep the conversations going just because like both my legs are absolutely done. Like I literally can't walk. I don't know what it is, like especially my left hamstring. It's absolutely done. So I don't know, I'll just like rest it off today, see how it is tomorrow, but that's really been bothering me. Now for the end of day updates, I'm gonna put it on the side over here. Facebook Marketplace listings. We have 1,736 clicks on listings. We have at least 70 leads. I would say we still have 4 to 5 potential clients, but one client is actually sending me all their docs right now, so they might be like an actual solid client after I look at the documents, of course. Now in terms of this YouTube channel, we have 112 subscribers, 2,605 views in the last 28 days, and 36.2 hours of watch time in the last 28 days. Now on my other YouTube channel, the Bhavjot Cheema Real Estate channel, where I'll be posting all of the home tours and things like that, we have 2 subscribers. We have 19 views in the last 28 days, and we have 0.2 watch hours. I've not told anyone about this YouTube account. I only have it posted on this YouTube channel, and it's in the description of all my videos, but I actually haven't told anyone to subscribe to it, and I haven't posted on my Instagram or on Facebook. So keeping that in mind, if the shorts on this channel go off, then you know that I'm doing something right and I'm not just getting lucky. Okay, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go down below and smash the subscribe button. According to vidIQ, we are going to hit 150 subscribers by October 31st if we continue on the trajectory. But the videos have been doing really good, specifically the YouTube shorts, so just keeping the same trajectory could be hard. So go down below, subscribe, and make sure we get to 150 subscribers by the end of October. Again, thank you all for watching, and have a great rest of your day.